Waterfalls are beautiful. Nearly every visitor to our public lands has come to experience these wonders of nature. It's important to remember that a breathtaking moment near a waterfall can make you forget waterfalls can be deadly.
In Transylvania County alone, dozens of people have died and hundreds have been injured visiting waterfalls.
Many waterfalls are located in remote and often rugged terrain.
This leads to lengthy response times for rescue personnel who sometimes put themselves in harm's way for the rescue effort.
What drives us to waterfalls is how primitive they are, how wild and untamable they are. But I think that that makes us in general, the visitors, me, adventurers, feel invincible and not small. And so that invincibility feeling you get causes you to ignore warning signs and drives you to get closer to something that you really don't understand.
Our biggest challenge with waterfall safety here on the Pisgah is mainly the fact that we can't be everywhere. People can go off trail and off road, and very likely there won't be any safety information at a waterfall they may come upon. So that makes it even more important for them to have the information to be able to make safe decisions. I think the biggest general safety tip I would recommend is just to have situational awareness, being aware of what's around you.
Enjoy what you're doing, but realize that this is an authentic place. It's not engineered for your safety. It's nature's beauty, and that doesn't always make it safe.
The purpose of public lands is for the people. Recreation is going to happen, and we want it to happen, and we want people to come visit. But while they're here, we want them to have a mindset of safety and a mindset of awareness for themselves and for others.
Every year, people die while visiting waterfalls.
Follow the rules.
Have fun.
Be safe.
Don't be the next victim.
Don't be the next victim.
Don't be the next victim.